how to remove the plate from the Bambu Lab P2S. So first things first, open the chamber door and you'll see this lip sticking out here, and as it's really stuck with a very strong magnet, get two hands and stand up and pull upwards. This should release the plate from the bed and then allow you to remove it like that. Now, to place the plate back in correctly, you see this bevel here. You want to go and match it up at the back there. Push it into that bevel and drop the plate back like that. To remove it, get your finger under that lip and pull upwards. Allow me to show you from above that bevel where you need it to go. You can see there, the bevel goes into that gap. Press it against it and drop it down. So you want that bevel to be placed into the gap and your fingers under here to release the plate. So hopefully that helps you remove the plate from your Bambu P2S and replace it. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.